What does GG mean? And how do you use it? If you don't play a lot of competitive video games, you may have heard the acronym GG for the first time on social media or from a gamer friend. Find out what it means and how to use it. GG means good game. In multiplayer competitive games, GG is used as a mark of sportsmanship and an acknowledgement that you had fun while battling against your opponents. For many players, it's standard practice to type GG into the chat at the end of every match. It's similar to a handshake or hug at the end of a live sporting event. The practice of saying GG has been around since the late 90s to early 2000s. As online multiplayer competitive games like Quake and StarCraft gained popularity, internet language was also starting to take shape. Saying GG to your opponents at the end of the round became a part of proper etiquette in these games. However, GG isn't always used positively. Using GG prematurely is considered BM, or bad manners. For example, messaging GG before you've won the match because you feel overconfident about the result is rude. It's especially embarrassing if you wind up losing at the end. Avoid typing in GG before the match is truly over. There are a few variations of GG that can be used. A common extension of the acronym is GGWP, which means good game. Well played. This is often said to imply that the opponent did a good job during the match, especially if they managed to win the game from behind. This is in contrast to GLHF, which means good luck. Have fun, which is said at the beginning of the match instead of at the end. Another variation of GG is GGEZ, which means good game. Easy. It can be used by someone on the winning side in a derogatory manner after a dominating performance. However, this is considered to be bad manners. GGEZ is more commonly used ironically by either the winning team or the losing team. When used by the winning team, it's generally at the end of a long and tough match that could have gone either way. When used by the losing side, it's typically after a blowout game to indirectly compliment the winners. Like many popular internet acronyms, GG has crossed over into real-life use as well. It's widely used in conversations outside of video games. If you and a friend bet on a sports match or play a friendly game of one-on-one basketball, you can say GG afterward. It's also become commonplace in some offline competitive events such as professional poker. You can also use it in conversations that have nothing to do with matches. GG can be used to show exasperation or giving up on something. For example, if you accidentally burn a piece of toast, you can say, GG toast. It can also be used to mean that a situation is ominous or difficult to deal with. If you're about to take a test that you didn't study for, it would be appropriate to tell your friend, I didn't study. GG. Both GGEZ and GGWP can also be used in non-competitive contexts. You can say GGEZ if something turns out to be easier than expected. Like if you ace the test without studying for it. On the other hand, GGWP can be used in the context to compliment someone on a job well done. If your friends manage to throw a surprise party for you without you finding out, you could tell them GGWP to denote that they did a good job of keeping the secret. If you're playing an online game, saying GG is a polite and easy way of closing off the game on a good note. You can also use it in real life, in a variety of ways. Text source, howtogeek.com.